guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another very exciting video। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ what's in my office bag and कौन-कौन सी चीजें हैं if you're going to office or you're going to even college, what are the basic essential things that you need to carry in your bag। So since we are doing what's in my office bag, let's see what office bag do I usually carry। So this is the one that I usually carry। I mean just look at it, it's so क्यूट, इट्स सो पिनिंटरेस्टिंग। मैं इस पे यूजुअली एक क्लच भी लगा के जाती हूँ, सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा, शीक, अच्छा सा लगता है। जस्ट लुक एट इट। So coming to this bag, I actually got it from one of the Instagram brand only। मैं उसकी सारी की सारी डिटेल्स ना कमेंट बॉक्स में या फिर अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी, तो डू चेक इट आउट बिकॉज दे हैव अ रियली गुड कलेक्शंस ऑफ स्लिंग बैग, टोट बैग्स, बैकपैक्स, you name it and they have it। So yeah, I honestly loved it। So without any further ado, let's get started। Okay, first thing first, which is obviously there in my bag is my laptop because of course you need it and in case अगर आप college जा रहे हो तो आपके पास आपकी notebooks या कुछ होना चाहिए। But since I am a corporate girly, so this is the first thing that we have। Next I have is my laptop charger। I mean of course you need it, but मैं actually ना इसको बहुत ही कम दिनों लेके जाती हूँ because मेरे ऑफिस में डॉकिंग स्टेशन है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली चार्ज हो जाता है। बट इन केस अगर आपके ऑफिस में नहीं है या आप इवन मीटिंग रूम या आपका अलग से कैबिन है, आप ऐसे वर्क करते हो, so you can take your charger which is mandatory। Next I have is my phone charger। It is so cute, see it is the bow one and ये purple color में है, so I actually really loved it। मैं सारी की सारी चीज़ों की जो लिंक है ना वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर करती जाऊँगी, so don't worry about that। नेक्स्ट ऑफ कोर्स चीज़ जो मेरे बैग में होती है इज़ ऑब्वियसली अ फ़ोन, लेकिन उससे भी मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, so yeah I do carry that as well। thing that I have is my water bottle। So this is the Milton bottle that I have and इसको मैंने actually ना थोड़ा customize किया है। ये सब जो आप देख रहे हो, these are the stickers that I added and here also I added girly pop करके। So yeah, this is the cute water bottle that I have and of course you should have it because being hydrated is the most important thing the entire day। So yeah, this is the most important thing that you should have in your bag। Okay, so next I have is a diary and a pen along with me। So this I actually purchased from Mr. DIY। I mean just look at it, it is so cute। This is the cute pink color notebook that I have। So these are the pages like you get in there। Now I am a person who actually writes a lot, like जो भी मेरा काम हो, whether it's a to do or whatever goals that are there I have to achieve, I usually write it down here in this notebook। So I think this is also the most important thing that you should carry in your bag, चाहे आप कॉलेज में हो चाहे आप ऑफिस में हो, and of course you have many notes also to write। So that's why I think keeping a notebook, a diary is very important। Okay, so the next thing that I have in my bag is this big pouch। So let's see what's in there। So this pouch is basically I kept for all of my electronic stuff। like first I have is this mic। like कभी मुझे कंटेंट क्रिएट करना पड़े एंड बाहर बहुत शोर है या कुछ भी, तो आई यूजुअली कैरी दिस माइक। दिस इज द वूक वायरलेस माइक दैट आई हैव एंड इसमें दो ट्रांसमीटर एंड एक रिसीवर है जो कि मैंने अभी ऑलरेडी लगा रखा है, रिसीवर एंड ट्रांसमीटर। लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट टू डेडिकेटेड वीडियो टू बी मेड, बट या दिस इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई ऑब्वियसली कैरी इन माय बैग। नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज ईयरपॉड्स। like I have these earphones and ये noise के हैं। I find it pretty good, they have a very good noise cancellation capacity and ये मेरे को actually office से मिले थे। so yeah, this is the next thing which I carry and of course if you are a college going student also, या अगर आप मेट्रो में या कहीं पर भी ट्रैवल करें तो मुझे लगता है एटलीस्ट earphones और earpods, earbuds are the most important thing that you should carry। Next I have is a headphone because of course we do have to attend meetings now। like actually I have two headphones, one is this wire one and one I have the wireless one। so I just keep toggling in between them जो जब मेरे को comfortable sufficient लगे, so I usually carry it। so this is the next thing that I have and yeah, that's it। my pouch is empty, so this is the all of my electronic area wale section which I don't forget to carry। Okay, so next I have my wallets and purse। so this is the purse that I usually carry and इसमें basically मेरे cash रहते हैं and कुछ coins और ये सब रहते हैं। so purse is of course very mandatory whenever you are traveling। and next I have this mini pouch also। like इसमें I usually keep my Aadhaar card और metro card, something like that। and इसमें कुछ छुटकम चीज़ें भी पड़ी रहती हैं। so yeah, this is the again next thing which I carry. Next, yeah, so next I have this cute panda pouch. Like इस pouch में मेरी mostly skin care, makeup ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें रहती हैं. But of course हम office में तो ज़्यादा makeup नहीं करते, so just for touch up I usually keep. I have this hand cream which is of Nivea because अब बहुत winters आ गई हैं, हाथ बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाते हैं, so I think you should definitely keep a hand cream along with you. Next I have is lip gloss because lips से बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाते हैं, so I have one from Zudio and one from Swiss Beauty. You can even use a lip balm, but yeah, but I prefer using lip gloss. This is one of the things. Next I have is perfume. Like I have many portable perfumes, but today I'm gonna show you this Water Girl one because whenever I reach office I generally just tuck, apply it. Okay, so next I have these random lipsticks that I have. I have a huge collection of lipsticks, but these are the 4 lipsticks that I absolutely rely upon. First is this sugar one. Next we have this Insight Cosmetics. All of these have a brown nude shade. Next is the Mamaearth one that I have. And lastly I have this Maybelline Fit Me lipsticks that I usually carry. So I usually use a lipsticks for touch up क्योंकि जब मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ तो मैं पूरे ऐसे मास्क अच्छे से टाइट करके जाती हूँ, तो कभी it just gets dried off या वो थोड़ी हट सी जाती है, so I generally थोड़ा touch up करने के लिए just use it. Next I have this Insight Cosmetics blusher only. ये मेरे बैग में हमेशा रहता है. I don't know, I just feel like to carry it. And now with this we are empty with this bag. Okay, also one thing that I carry is the kajal because वो भी बहुत टाइम के बाद ऐसे गायब सा हो जाता है, तो this also I basically use for touch up. So this was all it in my makeup pouch. Up we have is my comb. This is the bamboo comb that I use. I have just stopped using plastic combs because I heard कि उससे बाल ज़्यादा टूटते हैं, और मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें पढ़ी भी थी और देखी भी थी, and it's since then I started using the comb. So let's see what we have. So firstly I have is my office iCard. You of course need to carry it. Next I have is my jockey mask. I've started wearing mask now. And next I have is this keychain which is customized one, like इस पे तान्या लिखा हुआ है. Next I have this cute paper soap one. Like I think ये आपके पास हमेशा ही होना चाहिए क्योंकि कभी भी हाथ ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है to generally wash your hands. So I always keep this with myself and it's quite cute as well. Next up I have is few scrunchies. Like these are the scrunchies that I have. ये obviously मेरे बैग में ना पड़े ही रहते हैं, and this is the clutch that I have. These always stay in my bag क्योंकि कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है बाल वाल बंद करने की. And this also we can't forget, this is the cute one that I have. I love this clutch so much. And next lastly I have is a handkerchief because why not, you either need to carry tissues, wet wipes or handkerchiefs. तो मैं usually handkerchiefs को ज़्यादा prefer करती हूँ instead of wet wipes or tissues. So yeah, this is my go-to area. And yeah, I think this was the last item which was there, and इसी के साथ our bag is almost empty now. कुछ नहीं है हमारे बैग. And one more thing, this bag also comes with these strips. Like आप ये इसके end पे इसको लगा सकते हो. So instead of keeping it as a shoulder bag, ऐसे करके आप इस पे स्टिप लगा के इसको बढ़ा भी कर सकते हो as per your convenience, which is also very great. And yeah guys, that's it. With this we are done with the video. So yeah, please do watch my channel if you want to see more such stuff related to office or lifestyle or simple vlogs or what I generally do in my day. So yeah guys, that is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Before leaving, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you super soon next time. Bye, take care.